While the world is distracted by the next big AI chatbot, the real money is being made by the companies building the massive AI factories that power them. One stock in particular is Applied Digital, which has just secured a $16 billion revenue backlog that could redefine your portfolio for the next decade. We are witnessing a tectonic shift in the market. Applied Digital isn't just a data center company. They are the high voltage backbone of the generative AI revolution. Today, I'm breaking down why institutional whales are aggressively defending this stock, and how their recent $2.15 billion financing round changes everything, and why the current volatility is creating a capitulation zone you can't afford to ignore, especially if you want to scale your wealth. Before we move on further in this video, remember, all stocks carry risks. Do not put more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio into any single stock. It's a volatile time in the market. Stay safe. Ensure that this fits your personal needs and that Applied Digital is exactly what you're looking to invest into, and always be defensive to protect your capital. In this video, I'm going deep into Applied Digital's massive revenue surge, which has jumped 250% year over year, and why their 15-year leases with giants like CoreWeave are basically a license to print money. I'm going to show you guys exactly where institutions are buying and how to play the current Iran-related market tensions to your advantage, and sell put options is a pretty good strategy as well. And I've been selling put options on Applied Digital to increase my position as well as lower my cost average. Very good strategy in order to do so. If you're looking for a plan to turn volatility into profit, you're in the right place. So to summarize, I'm going to be breaking down the massive $16 billion backlog and the institutional defense levels that make Applied Digital a generational opportunity. This isn't just a stock. It's a blueprint for navigating the high-stakes AI market. Stick around, strap in, sit tight, so we can see exactly how we're going to play this volatility to build long-term wealth. Applied Digital is not a software company. They design, build, and operate high-density data centers specifically engineered for the most demanding artificial intelligence workloads. While traditional data centers struggle with the heat and the power requirements of modern hardware, Applied Digital's facilities are built to handle 100 kilowatt plus per rack, which is essential for the latest NVIDIA chips. Their primary competitive advantage are liquid cooling technology and their strategic AI factory designs in locations like North Dakota, where they can access power and cooling more efficiently than legacy providers. This makes them a fundamental pick and shovels play because they provide the physical infrastructure that every AI developer needs to exist. Applied Digital isn't just hosting data, they are building the physical foundation of the future, while others speculate on the software that may or may not succeed. By locking in 15-year contracts, they are securing massive scale cash flow that provides a level of stability rarely seen in the tech sector. This is the ultimate infrastructure play for the AI era because it focuses on one thing the industry cannot live without, and that is power in space. Applied Digital is the backbone of the AI revolution, securing 15-year leases that act as guaranteed cash flow for the machine. They are winning by providing physical power in space that the world's biggest AI companies are starving for. This infrastructure is the only way to play the sector with real tangible floor security. Understanding a company like Applied Digital is about seeing the potential for growth before the rest of the world catches on. And that's exactly the kind of vision that I cultivate every single day for my community in Discord. 7 years ago, I was completely bankrupt. I was forced to start from the very bottom. So I understand that the heavy weight of this financial stress in the market can be crazy. And because I was raised Catholic, I've always felt a deep-seated mission to help others. And when I was able to achieve financial success, my greatest joy I can say now, besides my family and my kids, is helping other students achieve their own financial goals. I've watched students grow from 10,000 to 100,000, others from 40,000 to 200,000. I even have students that started with $500,000 and have reached over 1.3 million in less than a year. I love doing this every single day. I love trading. I love coaching. I love investing. I'm obsessed with this. It's what I was meant to do. This is what I love to do. And I want to help you grow your portfolio as well. This has allowed me to live my best life and achieve my goals. And now my goal is to provide you with the same opportunity and the same tools for you to achieve your goals in life. And I would love to help you with my one-on-one coaching. I have a full Ask Corey section, trade section, day trade, swing trade, and of course, long-term investing trades, different sections. And you can chat with the current students. There is an off-topic section. And of course, you guys get all of my modules and video on demand man. If you are a complete beginner, let me show you what I can do for your portfolio. Even if you've been trading, let me show you how I can help you improve your portfolio and achieve your goals safer and quicker. The link to get started with Discord is below, and I look forward to seeing you very soon. Let's talk about their revenue and global resilience. The financial performance of Applied Digital has been nothing short of explosive, with recent quarterly revenue hitting $126.6 million, representing 250% year over year. Many investors are worried, though, about the tensions in Iran might affect the market, but it's important to remember that Applied Digital is a domestic U.S. infrastructure play that becomes even more valuable as sovereign AI becomes a national security priority. Looking forward 1 to 2 years, as their Harwood campus becomes fully online, the company is on a clear trajectory to hit $1 billion annual revenue run rate. This massive expansion is supported by long-term leases that ensure the company remains a solid investment, regardless of short-term geopolitical noise. A 250% revenue explosion is just the beginning of this 15-year growth story as the company scales its operations to meet unprecedented demand. And then, of course, the Iran factor, the capitulation zone. Geopolitical tensions, specifically regarding Iran, often trigger a period of forced selling where panicked investors dump high-quality stocks alongside the bad ones. This feared capitulation zone where the stock price drops to a level that institutions are willing to defend aggressively, which for Applied Digital is currently the $23 to $25 range. Currently, I'm selling $25 and $23 puts, which also allows me to increase my position size at a cheaper cost. By identifying these defensive buying areas, we can see exactly where big money is stepping in to support the price and prevent further downside. Understanding these macro pressures allows us to remain calm while others are selling, giving us the opportunity to build positions at prices that professionals find attractive. Fear in the Middle East is creating a significant opportunity for disciplined investors who recognize the value of entering the stock in this capitulation zone. This is very important, understanding technical analysis and the capitulation zone and structural floors where institutions and smart money defend, as it gives you an advantage. And this is what I teach, just part of what I teach in the Discord. Very important to understand. This is one of the most important things, if not the most important thing next to psychology, and understanding the market's moves. This way you're getting into stocks at a better cost and you're getting in at a better time. Very, very important to understand. Next, let's talk about earnings and Applied Digital's future. Applied Digital has a consistent track record of beating earnings expectations, recently surpassing Wall Street with revenue that was 46% higher than analyst estimates. Their growth plan is incredibly ambitious, with management aimed to reach 5 gigawatts of total capacity by 2030 to 2032, and that's to accommodate the next generation of AI development. They have secured the necessary financing and the land to make this a reality, proving that they have the concrete plan to scale rather than just a vision. Their ability to execute on these massive construction projects while maintaining high margins is what sets them apart from the competition. Applied Digital is consistently crushing Wall Street's expectations because many analysts still haven't fully accounted for the scale of their $16 billion backlog. We also have to talk about Analyst Upgrades and the price targets. The investment community is starting to take notice, with major firms like B. Riley issuing price targets as high as $53 and a general median target sitting around $42.50. These upgrades are driven by a realization that Applied Digital is transitioning from a crypto-centric business model into pure AI utility giant, which commands a much higher valuation multiple. Analysts believe that the company will reach these targets as their massive data center projects move from construction to operational status, generating immediate cash flow. This shift in narrative from the smart money on Wall Street provides a strong tailwind for the stock's future performance. Essentially, what I've been doing is selling put options in order to accumulate more shares, get paid to enter the stock and collect premium, and get paid to wait. I'm essentially becoming the insurance agent selling these put options. Now, if this fits your needs, you can do that, but understand the risk that you could be assigned. So I would not recommend you to sell puts unless you want the stock, understand the risk, and no more than 10% of your capital in any one stock. Be very, very safe. I'm also going to talk about macro trends and the crypto correlation. The broader market is currently being influenced by crude oil prices and the duration of global conflicts. But historically, the quicker these tensions resolve, the faster the market recovers. Interestingly, we often see crypto lead the way for the tech stocks. For instance, crypto crypto was stable in August before the market trailed off later in the year. And now that recently this week and late last week, we saw crypto on the uptrend and Bitcoin broke 74,000, it serves as a leading indicator that the broader market and the AI stocks like Applied Digital are likely to follow suit. And as soon as the tensions in Iran start to abate, this is very likely. Understanding this relationship between digital assets and equity liquidity helps us anticipate where the next big move in tech is coming from. And in order to take advantage of these tech moves going forward, remember, you don't want to put off today for tomorrow because others have put off yesterday for today. And the cost of missing out on this AI cycle is far greater than the price of the volatility we're seeing right now. And I would love to help you guys understand how to do this the right way, grow your portfolio and your goals. Just remember, if you join the Discord, you get the tools. Let's stop making excuses. Your future is counting on the decisions you make for yourself in the current, in the present. The link to join Discord is below. I look forward to seeing you guys in the Discord real soon. Look, I've detailed the $16 billion revenue backlog, the institutional support at $24 level, and the macro indicators that point towards a massive recovery for Applied Digital. This company is far more than just a stock. It is a critical strategic asset in a world that is increasingly starved for the compute power necessary to run the future. You now have the price levels, you have some strategies to think about, and the fundamental data required to make informed decisions and to execute with confidence on this stock. So just remember, the AI revolution is going to proceed with or without your participation. But the most significant wealth will be captured by those who owned the infrastructure before it became common knowledge. I'm committed to helping you guys protect your capital, grow your portfolio, and understand stocks just like Applied Digital. I look forward to seeing you in the Discord and in our next update as we track this journey together. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam.